So you guys come and make some of this salmon Tuscan with me. I had this salmon in the frying pan. We have some extra virgin olive oil with those seasoned, the herbs and all that good stuff. And these are the salmon portions. Now look at them. They looking good and crispy, getting brown on both sides, just how we like it. God is amazing. He makes the best of the best, cook the best of the best. Okay, why not? Why not? Why not? It's just sizzling on through. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Trying to wait on this food to get done because it smells so good up in here. I'm ready to eat now. I got this Alfredo, making some the first time in my life because normally King Karate make it. So, but look at it. Got that salmon Tuscan. I already done put those, the spinach in there and also those dried tomatoes. Now, I missed the part where putting the dried tomatoes in there. And then we put some more of that spinach in there. The baby spinach is organic. And, also, we had added that salmon steak as well. I didn't even include that video, but that salmon steak is in there along with the salmon portions. We needed a little more of that spinach because, you know, gotta get strong, gotta stay strong, okay? Not get strong, stay strong, okay? God is amazing, isn't he? And here is the final right here, okay? It's a little sloppy right there, but it's good. It got some of those angel hairs and got the rest on there on a paper plate. Yes, we good for that. All praises. Thank you so much for watching, sharing, like, and subscribing. Peace, peace.